Hello and welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily register on one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Thanks to my partnership with ByBit, you can get a welcome bonus of up to $6,045. You'll find a registration link below this video. Just click on it, and you'll be taken straight to the registration page with the bonus. If you already have the registration page open, simply enter the referral code you see on the screen now. During registration, you'll fill in your email and password, which will be used to log in to the trading platform. For email verification, you'll receive a 6-digit code to enter. Right after logging in, you can check your bonuses, which consist of 3 parts thanks to my partnership. The first reward is $20 for signing up. The second reward from ByBit is up to $5,000. The third reward through my link is up to $1,025. You can earn all of these rewards by completing various tasks, such as making your first deposit of $100 via bank transfer, purchasing via credit card, or depositing cryptocurrencies. Another reward is earned when you start trading. To get the rewards, these steps need to be completed within the first week after registration. Now let's finish the registration by verifying our identity by clicking the Verify Now button. On the identity verification page, select the country of your citizenship and the type of document you'll use for verification. In our case, I'll choose an ID card and click the Confirm button. Next, I'll select the option that I'm not a US citizen. I'll take a photo of the front of my ID card using the computer's webcam. Now I'll take a photo of the back. In the final step, I'll scan my face to ensure ByBit knows it's really me and not someone else. And we're done. Now we just wait for verification. ByBit says the verification process typically takes up to 24 hours, but in my experience, they often manage it even faster. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next video from the world of cryptocurrencies.